Alright, today I'm going to be showing you how to create whiteboard animations, handwriting animations, and to how most people are doing it and creating amazing videos going viral. So let me show you exactly how they do it. First, what you want to do is you want to search for Mango Animate. This is the official site. You want to click right on it and download it. I already have it on my Windows, but since I'm trying to make this video on a Mac, so I need to re-download everything, set everything up. So I want you to see the whole process. Don't say you missed something out, because I'm not hiding anything from you. I'm showing you everything you need to see. You go under products and you download this whiteboard animator. There's a lot of products. Let's go under the products again. You see you have video generation, AI, image generator, you have music, you have presenter, you have character maker, you have a lot of things, right? I want to allow all of those shebang. I'm just going to forward this part, so after the download is done, then we'll get to animating. So I realized you cannot actually create these animations on your Mac. I realized there was an exe file I was downloading, so it was from Windows, so I had to jump over to my Windows to continue this animation. So let's just jump right in. Alright, so when you log in, you want to pick your aspect ratio, right? This is the dashboard. This is how Mango Animate look. This is the home screen. So let's look around, and first let's change this as background. Looks shady as hell. So you want to come down here. As you can see, you see the background is already labeled. You have layers, you have background, you have camera, you have actions. Let's change this background. First, let's pick something that is nice. My network's a little bit slow, so yeah, things are moving a little bit slow. So let's look for a background that is nice. I like this black one. Yes, let's pick that. First, next you want to delete this arch texture background. So let's delete it and let's extend the black background. Now it makes it look much better. Yeah, much better. We can start adding actions like adding handwriting, adding animations. There are a lot of templates, so you can search the template up here, or we can add sound. So let's import the sound first. I think I had a good sound somewhere. What is the sound again? 11. I made it with 11 laps. It is not my voice. I'll play it through and you'll see how it sounds later. So let's look for the sound. Where the hell that damn sound go at? Okay, I think that's it. Okay, this will take a little bit of time, so I'm just going to forward everything. Alright, so it's done. Let me play it through. You should get
to a journey that could change your life. Imagine a world where you're not swayed by external circumstances.
I think we should start adding animations, right? Start adding text, adding some kind of things to make it look funky. So what you want to do is you want to go to your toolbar, where the toolbar is at. You want to go to tools. Okay, I'm gonna find my way to tools. Yeah, that's tools. Let's drag in this kind of a half bare kind of stuff. Looks nice. Okay, yeah. We can change the animation type to handwriting, to anyone. Look, draw, sketch. It's you. Do you, man. Do you. Let's play it through again and see how it looks.
Imagine a world where you're not swayed by external circumstances.
What's happening?
Where your happiness depends solely on you.
That's just pretty much it. You can do a lot of things with this tool. You can bring in text. You can view whole presentation. This is a whiteboard. Do you create, draw, sketch? The world is yours. I'm looking forward to see what you guys create.